Hey, how's you going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's Workshop. So I'm glad you dropped in. The last video I made about painting my wheel rims, I got lots of comments about that. And what I did was, I ended up, I only spray painted the one rim. To be honest, it didn't turn out very good, I didn't think. So what I ended up doing was brushing the paint on the rest of them. So I have some video here about painting one of the rims. So just want to show you a little bit about that, and then compare the painted rim to the sprayed rim, and then you can be the judge, see which one you like better. Okay, so I had a lot of comments, like I was saying, about the rims and whatnot, and I thought I'm going to brush the paint on the rest of them. So this is just showing you how I was doing that. When I'm painting the rims, I like to start, especially with the brush, I like to start in the middle, work my way to the edges. That way I minimize getting paint on me. Notice I say minimize because I still get tons of paint all over me. It seems. Also, I'm definitely not going light on the paint. So there's the tire, painted with a brush. Looks a lot better, I think. How does that tire look compared to this tire? The lighting is poor here, so I'm just going to point some things out. This tire was brushed, this wheel I say, I call them tires, but they're wheels. This wheel was brushed, and you can feel there's, there's a few little imperfections there, but for the most part, that's nice and smooth and shiny. This one that I spray painted, like, it's all rough. It's all rough. So I know for a fact that, dirt and dust and grime is going to catch on that just before I even get the last wheel nut tightened. But anyway, I might put the brush on that guy, but I think I'm just going to leave him. There's 2 coats of spray on him. And this one, there's just 1 coat of brush on that. And we're going to go with that. So I spray painted my first rim. Didn't like it. I figured that was a waste of time. Then I figured, no, it's not a waste of time. I learned something from it. So what I did with the other 3 rims, I cheated and I ended up painting them with a brush. So the video I put out about painting with the spray paint, didn't turn out that great. So I wanted to follow it up today with some video here about spray or painting with a brush. So that's what we've done. Painted the other 3 rims with the brush, and I showed you the results there. I like the brush a lot better. Don't know about you. Let me know in the comments what you think, brush or spray. Anyways, thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. Quick little video today, but I wanted to follow it up because I had so many comments about the spray painting. Thanks for watching. Take care, everybody. We'll talk to you.